Well, hello everyone. Today we are unboxing the DJI OM5. Let's get started. Alright, let's open her up. Master every shot. Alright. Here's the unit itself. Your strap, USB cord, the tripod or extended handle for it, screws right on in, very simple. And the mount for your phone. Nice carrying bag, helps if you have it the right way. Nice magnet holder for your cell phone. In our next video we will do a setup with our phone. We are actually using this tomorrow at the Detroit Zoo for their Christmas light show. So once it's synced to your phone, you can zoom in, zoom out. Got a nice little joystick here to operate. Once you sync it with your phone, that is. Record, flip that around so it turns back around. Get it in there. There's a little groove. Voila. And it can extend for your phone. Now, I may have to take my cover off, but we're going to try it. Yeah, with the outer cover, it won't hold it. It would pop right off. So let's take the rubber casing off of our otter. See if that will work better without having to take the whole case off. I'm thinking it will. Yes. So if you have an otter case, look at that. It actually works. So I need to charge this up and we need to get it ready for tomorrow. Alright, that wraps up our unboxing of the DJI OM5. Until next time, happy trails.